This is my version of Chicken Korma, a mild but flavour-packed curry for the whole family, even the kids. And there's no need to marinate the chicken, so it can be ready in super quick time. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. I want a curry that the whole family will love, that I can cook on a busy weekday. So it's got to be mild enough for the kids, packed with flavour and quick to prepare. And this easy chicken korma ticks all of those boxes. So let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a large frying pan over a medium heat. If you haven't got ghee, don't worry, you can use sunflower oil or another oil. Now we're going to add in a large onion that's been finely diced. We're going to cook the onion for 5 minutes, stirring every so often until they're softened. Now add in 3 chicken breasts that have been chopped into bite-sized chunks. It's about 525 grams or a little over a pound of chicken. You can use chicken thighs if you prefer. Cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the chicken is sealed. Now we're going to add in the garlic, the ginger and the spices. We're adding the spices in at this stage to cook them off and also to coat the chicken, and they'll act as a base for the flavour for that lovely sauce. It's going to be so tasty. So I'm adding in 2 cloves of minced garlic and 2 teaspoons of minced ginger, a teaspoon of ground cumin, 1½ teaspoons each of ground coriander and garam masala, ½ teaspoon each of mild chilli powder and turmeric, and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and white pepper. We're also going to add in 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring often until the chicken is coated and the spices start to release their fragrance. Now once that chicken's coated in the spices, we're going to start giving the korma that signature creamy coconutty flavour, starting with 120 ml or ½ cup of plain full fat yoghurt. Next in goes 120 ml or ½ cup of coconut cream, plus 2 tablespoons of ground almonds and a tablespoon of sugar. Stir everything together and bring to a gentle boil. Then simmer for 6 to 8 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. Then right before the curry's finished, we're going to stir in 60 ml or 4 tablespoons of double or heavy cream. Then serve the korma topped with fresh coriander or cilantro. I like to serve this chicken korma with boiled rice and naan bread, a real hit with the whole family. I love cooking curries. They're so full of flavour and you can experiment and make them your own. And if you love this curry, be sure to check out our playlist of other amazing curries. See you next time.